The most important news from today on AI. NHS receives AI fund to improve healthcare efficiency. NHS staff will soon have access to advanced AI technology to enhance the speed and accuracy of patient diagnosis and treatment, thanks to a new £21 million fund. The AI Diagnostic Fund will allow NHS trusts to apply for funding to expedite the deployment of AI imaging and decision-making systems. Mosaic ML's latest models outperform GPT-3 with just 30B parameters. Open-source LLM provider Mosaic ML has announced the release of its most advanced models to date, the MPT-30B Base, Instruct, and Chat. These state-of-the-art models have been trained on the Mosaic ML platform using NVIDIA's latest generation H100 accelerators and claim to offer significant improvements over previous models. Wimbledon to feature AI commentary and draw analysis. IBM and the All England Lawn Tennis Club have announced new AI-powered features for the Wimbledon digital fan experience that will debut at this year's championships. The features include generative AI commentary and AI draw analysis, aimed at enhancing the engagement and insight for fans. SK Telecom outlines its plans with AI partners. SK Telecom, SKT, is taking significant steps to solidify its position in the global AI ecosystem. The company recently held a meeting at its Silicon Valley headquarters with CEOs from 4 new AI partners, Kmees, Machina Rocks, Scatter Lab, and Friendly AI - to discuss business opportunities and strategies. Stephen Almond, ECO, prioritize privacy when adopting generative AI. The Information Commissioner's Office, ICO, is urging businesses to prioritize privacy considerations when adopting generative AI technology. According to new research, generative AI has the potential to become a £1 trillion market within the next 10 years, offering significant opportunities for businesses that prioritize privacy.